In today's fast-paced world, time is often our most precious commodity. With the demands of work, family, and daily responsibilities, finding time for a long workout can feel nearly impossible. Many people find it difficult to carve out 30 minutes to an hour a day to exercise, which is why shorter, more efficient workouts have gained popularity in recent years. One of the most effective solutions is the 5-minute workout, a quick, efficient routine that fits easily into any busy schedule. The best part? You don't need any special equipment or a gym membership. You can get a great workout anywhere, whether you're at home, at work, or traveling. In this video, we'll dive into the science behind short workouts, explain how they can help you achieve fitness goals, and walk you through a comprehensive 5-minute routine that targets your whole body. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced fitness enthusiast, this routine can be customized to suit your needs. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Section 1. The Science of Short Workouts. Before we jump into the actual workout, it's important to understand why short workouts, specifically high-intensity interval training, HIIT, are so effective. Let's break down the science behind it. What is high-intensity interval training, HIIT? IIT is a type of exercise that alternates between short periods of intense activity and brief recovery periods. For example, you might sprint for 30 seconds and then walk or rest for 30 seconds. The goal of HIIT is to push your body to its maximum effort during the active intervals, followed by short recovery phases that allow you to catch your breath. This method of training maximizes effort in a short amount of time, which is why it's perfect for those with limited time. AEIIT has been extensively studied, and the results speak for themselves. In fact, multiple studies have shown that short, intense workouts can offer several benefits that traditional, steady-state cardio, like jogging, cannot. Here's why. Quick calorie burn and fat loss. One of the most significant advantages of HIIT workouts is the rapid calorie burn. During high-intensity intervals, your body uses up energy at a faster rate. But the benefits don't stop there. HIIT also creates an afterburn effect called excess post-exercise oxygen consumption, EPOC. This means that after the workout is over, your body continues to burn calories at an elevated rate for several hours. This increased calorie burn, even after the workout ends, helps accelerate fat loss and contributes to a leaner physique. Improved cardiovascular health. HIIT workouts improve cardiovascular health by increasing heart rate and improving circulation. In fact, research has shown that HIIT can be just as effective, if not more so, than traditional endurance training, like long-distance running, at improving heart health. These short bursts of intense exercise challenge the cardiovascular system, leading to improved endurance, better oxygen uptake, and lower blood pressure over time. Muscle strength and endurance. IIT doesn't just focus on cardio. Many HIIT exercises also target strength, particularly if they involve bodyweight movements like push-ups, squats, and lunges. These exercises help build muscle endurance, strength, and stability, leading to a more toned and lean physique. Time efficiency. The most obvious benefit of a 5-minute workout is its time efficiency. Let's face it, life is busy. Many people struggle to find the time to exercise, but a short, intense workout can be done in just 5 minutes, making it a practical solution for even the most time-starved individuals. And if you're really pressed for time, you can always do multiple rounds of the workout, depending on how much time you have. Section 2. Quick full-body workout demo. Now that we understand the science behind it, let's put it into practice. This 5-minute workout includes 5 exercises that will engage your whole body. Each exercise targets a different muscle group and gets your heart rate up. You'll perform each exercise for 1 minute, followed by a brief transition to the next. Jumping jacks, 1 minute. Why it works. Jumping jacks are a great way to get your heart pumping and warm up your body for the rest of the workout. This exercise targets your calves, thighs, and shoulders while improving overall cardiovascular fitness. Stand with your feet together and your arms at your sides. Jump your feet out wide while simultaneously raising your arms above your head. Jump back to the starting position, bringing your arms back down. Continue alternating jumping in and out, maintaining a steady pace. Modification: if you need a low-impact version, simply step your feet out one at a time and raise your arms, instead of jumping. Push-ups, 1 minute. Why it works. Push-ups are a classic bodyweight exercise that strengthens the chest, shoulders, arms, and core. They're a full-body move that engages multiple muscle groups, making them perfect for a quick workout. Start in a plank position with your hands placed slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Lower your chest toward the ground, keeping your elbows at a 45-degree angle to your body. Push through your palms to return to the starting position. Modification: if traditional push-ups are too difficult, you can do knee push-ups or elevate your hands on a bench to reduce the intensity. Squats, 1 minute. Why it works? Squats are a fantastic lower body exercise that works your glutes, quads, hamstrings, and core. They also help improve mobility and balance, making them an essential movement for overall functional fitness. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart and your toes pointing slightly outward. Push your hips back as if you're about to sit into a chair. Lower your body until your thighs are parallel to the ground, keeping your chest up and your knees behind your toes. Push through your heels to return to the starting position. Modification: if you're a beginner or new to squatting, reduce the depth of your squat or use a chair for support. Mountain climbers, 1 minute. Why it works. Mountain climbers are an excellent full-body exercise that targets your core, arms, shoulders, and legs. This dynamic move also boosts cardiovascular endurance and helps improve agility. Start in a high plank position with your hands directly under your shoulders. Drive one knee toward your chest, then quickly switch legs, bringing the other knee forward. Continue alternating legs as fast as you can while maintaining a stable plank position. Modification: slow down the movement or perform a standing high knee march if you need a gentler version. Plank hold, 1 minute. Why it works. The plank is a core stabilizing exercise that engages the abdominals, back, shoulders, and legs. Holding a plank challenges your core and improves stability, making it essential for overall strength. Start in a forearm plank position with your elbows directly beneath your shoulders. Keep your body in a straight line from your head to your heels. Hold this position, engaging your core to prevent your hips from sagging. Modification: if a full plank is too challenging, drop your knees to the ground or hold the plank for shorter intervals. Section 3: Modifications and Variations. This 5-minute workout can be adjusted based on your fitness level. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced athlete, there are ways to modify the exercises to suit your needs. For beginners, shorter intervals, perform each exercise for 30 seconds instead of 1 minute. Lower intensity, reduce the intensity of moves like jumping jacks or mountain climbers to a slower pace. Add rest. If you need extra recovery time between exercises, take 10 to 20 seconds of rest. For advanced athletes, increase intensity, try jumping squats or clapping push-ups to make the exercises more challenging. Add weights, incorporate dumbbells, resistance bands, or ankle weights to increase resistance. Do multiple rounds. If you have more time, repeat the circuit 2-3 times for an extended workout. Section 4: Creating your routine. One of the best things about 5-minute workouts is their flexibility. You can incorporate this routine into your daily schedule in a way that works best for you. Here are a few ideas to get started. Morning routine. Start your day with a 5-minute workout to get your blood flowing and boost your energy levels. Work break. Use a 5-minute workout as a break during your workday to reduce stress, improve focus, and keep your metabolism active. Pre-workout warm-up. Incorporate the 5-minute workout as a warm-up before a longer exercise session to prime your body and prepare it for more intense activity. Conclusion: in a world that's always moving at a fast pace, finding time for fitness can be challenging. However, with just 5 minutes a day, you can experience the many benefits of exercise without spending hours at the gym. Whether you're looking to boost energy, improve fitness, or reduce stress, short workouts are an effective and practical solution for busy people. Thanks for watching. Remember, even the smallest workouts can make a big difference. Take a few minutes each day to move, and you'll feel the benefits in no time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more quick health tips.